I'm on a safari, mate.
What's up, YouTube? It's Adam Della here with Truphae. Back with another video again. I'm really excited to take a look at the LAMY Safari. This pin is gorgeous. So one of my first experiences buying fountain pins, I was going into Truphae to buy a LAMY Safari. And I noticed that Chris had a kind of forest green safari there, and I wanted it. So I was like, how much for the forest green? And he was like, that one actually is, well over $500. And I was like, oh. And it turns out these are the original safaris from the 80s. So these are very sought after collectible items because they never had made these models again. On the old ones, you'll see there's no printing on the nib. So that's a big difference between the old one and the new one. And I'm really excited because I have the new safaris. It seems that there is a slight hue difference between the two. This one appears taller just because it has the seal on still. So once you take that off, it'll be the same size. The clicking isn't quite what it used to be on the old ones now. There's no markings on the nib, but it's the same nib, it's the same body, it's the same feed. As you can see, on the new ones, there is marking on the nib. And this is just their steel nib. This one is a medium. And to compare the orange, old and new, those colors seem much closer to me than the green. Another main difference is on the new ones, you'll notice there is, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little hole at the top there. So that's another difference. The matte finish is just a little, obviously a little worn down, but here's the logos. So there's the logos. It takes either a cartridge or a cartridge converter. I prefer using cartridge converters just because I like to use my bottled ink, but whatever floats your boat. Let's also just quickly take a look at the orange. I just want you to see the nib on that. So this is also a black nib, so I really like these LAMY black nibs. They look so good. Then we have the Rollerball. And I just confirmed that it is, in fact, a rollerball. As you can see, rollerball. I like all the LAMY pins. I think the Safari is just such a classic. And it's nice that you can, if you're not a fountain pen person, you can get a rollerball or a ballpoint to kind of be your gateway into fountain pens. Or if you have somebody that you know that hasn't gotten into fountain pens, you could get them the rollerball version and kind of show it to them, get them into it, and then kind of stick the fountain pen in their hand. It'll feel the same, but just write way better. And who knows? Maybe you'll have somebody to talk to about your pens. We also have a ballpoint. So this is the LAMY Safari ballpoint. It has a very satisfying click. Oh. Oops. Just doing a click test there, and clicks pretty good. So well, now that we've taken a look at them, why don't we take a ride with them?
Ooh, 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 ooh. Hello, it's Safari Adam here. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the contest Truphae is going to have. So stick around and listen, because I'm here to say, all you got to do to enter this contest is go ahead and comment below what your first fountain pen was for your chance to enter this month's contest. And remember, absolutely no purchase necessary. Now I gotta get back out on the safari. See you around.
That was the LAMY Safari. We had the fountain pen, the rollerball, and the ballpoint. Obviously, I love the fountain pen, but, you know, maybe you haven't been bit by the bug. And to you, I say, oh, okay. Thanks for watching. Check out the new safaris from LAMY. As you can tell, I like the colors, so I was really excited to see a nice, affordable LAMY Safari in deep, deep green. What a beauty, huh? And a nice Terra Cotta burnt orange to go with it. So head on over to Truphae to check out the new stock. You're gonna love it. And as always, a penman salute to you.